In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to store and share your files using OneDrive. This tutorial will guide you through the necessary steps to effectively utilize Microsoft's cloud storage service in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. Firstly, you need to log into your Microsoft account, head over to the website and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Logging in will give you access to all the Microsoft services, including OneDrive. Once you're logged in, look for the Apps Launcher icon. This is typically located in the top left corner of your screen, resembling a small grid. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu displaying various Microsoft applications. Next, select OneDrive from this menu. By doing so, you'll be directed to your OneDrive interface. Here you can manage your files and utilize several features that OneDrive offers. One critical aspect of OneDrive is that you can directly save files from your Microsoft Office apps into it. So whenever you're working with Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, you have the option to save your files straight to OneDrive, allowing you to access these files from anywhere. If you prefer working offline or have large files, you might want to install OneDrive on your desktop. This will let you sync your files, ensuring they are always up to date across all your devices. Installing OneDrive on your desktop is straightforward and can be done by downloading the app from Microsoft's official website. Now, sharing files on OneDrive is incredibly simple. Begin by navigating to My Files. From here, choose the folder or specific file you want to share. Selecting the file will reveal a set of options. Click on the Share button. When you do this, a dialog box will appear, allowing you to enter the email addresses of the individuals you want to share the file with. This ensures that you can collaborate and communicate with others seamlessly. Another important setting you need to be aware of when sharing files is choosing the type of access you want to grant. You can either allow recipients to edit the file, which is great for collaborative projects, or restrict them to only view the file. This choice depends on your intentions and how much control you want to maintain over your files. Once you've filled in the necessary details, click Send. This will send an email invitation to the recipients with access to the file. Alternatively, if you prefer sending the link via a different avenue, you can choose the Copy Link option. This generates a link that you can copy and paste wherever you need, such as in a chat app or a text message. And there you have it. You are now equipped with the essential tools and knowledge to efficiently store and share your files using OneDrive. Happy sharing.